Ito ang smart one. Capping, printer head area. Head clean. Printer head clean, punasan ng wiper. Nozzle check. Po ang waste tank. Na-dispose po ito noong Saturday. Ang ink system namin dito naman lang. Ink tank area. Ito po ang ABR. Ang ABR plug. Blue roll. And ink. Printer daily checklist. Subli paper. Ink sayat. Magenta. Yellow. And black. Printer output.